All right, good morning, everybody. So today is March 7th, 2016, and we're just going to go through a few of the charts that we go through in the private room that is available to anybody that would like to join Structure Trade on our website. But we first thing we want to do is talk about this trade that we were talking about last night on the daily chart, and we go to the daily and look at the pound dollar chart, and we see that we go down to the hour chart. We had a huge reversal last night. Opening was here last night, and we've actually gone down and broken through the trend line, and we're going back down through some of the structure. So we are at the bottom of the RSI, so we're probably seeing a pullback up to the daily pivot at least, and then probably back down. But on the daily chart, with the Brexit going on right now in the UK, we're probably going to see this chart sort of meander around this area right here, the 141 area, and stay around there. Looking at some of the other charts that we have on the day, the New Zealand dollar chart opened a lot lower, but we're not really looking above this now because we've broken through structure. So right now we're kind of looking for buy opportunities to go back up into this structure, and then this is where the bigger sell is probably going to happen up here in the 68.50, 68.70 range, right around that chart. But looking out on some of the other daily charts, we actually were looking at euro dollar, not too much today. We're waiting for it to come back down into some structural levels to go back up into this structural level. It's really in a no man's land right now for us. So those are the three charts that we're really looking at today. The Aussie dollar chart is still going really, really strong. It really gapped itself last night with a 30 pip gap opening. So we're thinking it's probably going to go back down into the range somewhere around here, but we're actually going to think it might even go, if you look on the weekly chart, might even go up into the 170 or 76.20s range. Somewhere around here is where we're thinking it might go up into. It had a huge gap in the loss for about 60 pips back here, way long with it. Still hasn't re-reached yet. So on the daily chart, though, we're still looking in this area, and then we're going to look up higher. So that is your weekly update for Forex markets from StructureTrade.com.